In this video, we shall be looking at how to import third-party models in LTSpice using a .mod file. For example, Texas Instruments provides the operational amplifier LM741 model for download in .mod file, which can be downloaded from their website. Before we import the file in LTSpice, we should know the exact name of the circuit, for which open the model file in a text editor. You shall find a command line .subckt LM741NS. The name of the model is defined after .subckt command. Now go to LTSpice. Open a new schematic and click on .op icon in the toolbar. In the text area of the pop-up, type .include and the location of the file. Press OK and place the text in the diagram. Now to configure op-amp to our model, place an op-amp in the circuit by going to Components and selecting op-amp 2. Right-click on it. In the pop-up, just paste the name of the model, that is LM741/NS, in the row Value and press OK. Now the circuit will run according to the configurations of the model we have downloaded. Here is a basic inverting op-amp circuit using the imported model. Let Rin be 1 kilo ohm, RF also be 1 kilo ohm, voltage at positive and negative power supply be 15 and minus 15 volt. The non-inverting input terminal is grounded, while the inverting terminal is fed with an AC voltage through Rin. For the voltage source, we select sine with an amplitude of 0.5 and frequency as 30 Hz. The gain of the circuit is -1 as the ratio of feedback resistor and input resistor is equal to -1. Now press run and in the simulation command, we select transient output with the stop time as 1 second and the maximum time step of 0.01. So select the output and then input in order to plot the graph. We can see that the output is inverted with respect to the input.